You ask, I deliver. The last video, which is playing behind me, that we talked about one of the projects that I've turned into a buy-to-let, a comment came in the section saying, Steve, can you please give me a breakdown of the numbers? I love the finish, I love the property, I love the standard, but I need an understanding of the numbers to see if I can do that with the funds that I have available. So, very simply, let me explain this property, break it down for you, and show every single person that you can also do this. So the purchase price was £102,000 with stamp and legals. I think we was up to around £106,000. Then I did a back to brick refurb on the property that come in at £32,000, taking the total to £138,000. Now, included in that back to brick refurb, I got back to brick, so reboarded and plastered again, a full rewire, full central heating system and plumbing done from brand spanking new, all new internal carpentry, as you saw in the video, doors, skirting, architrave, stair railings, handles. I had a brand new kitchen fitted from Howden's. I had a brand new bathroom set fitted. I tiled the whole of the bathroom. I tiled the floor. I tiled half of the kitchen, and the other half, which was a room, was now open plan. That was carpeted. I carpeted the bedrooms, the landing, and the stairs and the hallway. So, what else did I do? I removed 2 internal walls. I got a structural engineer to give me the calculations. I had the steels provided and they was installed by my contractors. I had brand new windows and doors in the whole of the property, composite front door, UPVC double French doors at the back. I had the back garden landscaped. I had the front drive tidied up and re-slabbed. I didn't do too much on the front of the property. So I think I was in for about 140,000 across the board. We got a refinance based at £170,000 end value, meaning I had to leave £34,000 equity tied up in the property because I got a buy-to-let on 20%, and I pulled out about £130,000 of my money. So all in all, the property cost me around £5,000. Now, these are figures that are accurate, but not to the decimal point. This is me just telling you how it was. Now, if someone said to you, buy a house, give me £10,000 and you can own that house for the rest of your life, what would you say? Every single person would jump at it straight away. But obviously, to get to these kind of results and returns, I always want to pull all of my money out and some. But on this particular property, we had to leave a little bit in. And to get that money back on the rental, minus the buy-to-let mortgage and the management fees, it will take me about 12 months, maybe 10 if I'm lucky. But it's for the rest of my life. And capital appreciation will do its thing over time. Because it's a little bit further up north, it won't be as much as it would be in the Midlands or in London, but it still will achieve capital appreciation over my lifetime and then potentially my children's lifetime. So it's an asset that will pay forever. Now, if you understand the BRRR method and you understand the buy-to-let market, you will know that in today's market and coming into 2024, which is a few weeks away, buy-to-lets are not dead. BRRR is a wealth builder. It is the thing that creates generational wealth, because every 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years, these properties can be refinanced and equity can be pulled out. There are cycles, and you just have to study the market and understand that sometimes you need to play the long game. While me, I definitely play the long game, and as you can see from my channel, as you can see from my social media, I'm constantly evolving. And I always tell people, start now, because tomorrow is not the right time. If you have a dream, if you want to achieve something, stop waiting, go for it, dream big, but start. So that was a little video for you guys to see the breakdown of numbers on one of the properties that's featured on my channel. Anything else you want to see, drop me a comment below, and me and the man behind the camera, Big D, will make it happen.